Hello kids, I'm George. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy breakfast for your parents. Let's start. Always wash your hands before cooking. Grab some fruits from the fridge and wash them.
Mama loves bagel, and she always has it for breakfast. Let's get one for her. This is very simple. I will show you. Guys, always ask your parents before using knives. My mom has done this with me many times. Don't use a knife without an adult around. Nobody wants a bloody bagel.
Now we put the bagel into the toaster. I'm going to make a quick coffee for my mom.
Guys, this is the easiest part of the breakfast. Parents always appreciate seeing the coffee.
Now the bagel is ready.
We do this Chinese style here with chopsticks. Always use tools and you don't get burnt. We work smart. Always clean up after you make food. Don't leave a mess.
The yummy breakfast is ready for my mom. Is it yummy? Really yummy? Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.